Hi Math Fast Trackers, here we are into day 4 of the course, and I just wanted to give you a helpful study tip when you are doing a fast track course. So here we are in Brightspace in our math class. I'm just going to go into our first unit, content. I'm going to go down to unit, I'm already in unit 1. If I wasn't here, I would go into unit 1, systems of equations. In today's video, it's all about how to schedule your study time. So we do cover a lot of material. It's about 1 unit per week. What I look at, if it were me setting up my study schedule, is I would look at my due date, and the due date is June the 24th for this. So I open up my calendar and I see here I am, and my due date is this Monday. So I have 5 days left. You have until midnight on Monday night to complete this. Is there a proctored test? Let's look. I'm going all the way down to my proctor. Oh, it is a proctored test. So if you haven't set up your appointment for your proctored test, you need to do so right away. If they can't accommodate you on Monday, let me know and book for the earliest date. So 1 to 2 days after the deadline to book a proctored test. We'll go with that. Just let me know because I will have to extend it in my math lab. So that's the first thing. Proctored test coming up. The deadline is Monday, June the 24th. If you can't get your appointment by that date and you only have today and Friday to make the appointment because the testing centers aren't open on the weekend, let me know. But let's say that you did book your proctored appointment for the 24th, and let's say that you weren't able to start studying until today. Well, looking at how many sections you have 5 sections to cover. That's so 5 sections in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So it means that you're going to have to do at least a section and a quarter a day. The weekend's coming, so maybe you can fit in 2 sections per day, but usually we say that it takes about a day to cover 1 section at the very least. So that's one way that you can schedule your study sessions, is looking at the due date for your unit, calculating how many days of study you have, minus your work schedule, family schedule, that sort of a thing. And then you want to give yourself at least 1 to 2 days per section in order to complete the study. The other thing that I wanted to show you is that when you do pop into your homework, so let's say that you were doing homework section 8.1, I'm going to click on that. Let's say you've watched the video and now you want to do the homework. So you click on the homework. I've already clicked on it and I have a window open here. This is the window that pops up. Sometimes there's media attached to your homework, just more video, so go ahead and watch that video if you think that it will be helpful. And then you can start on your homework. I'm going to just pick a question 15, because I wanted to show you is that whenever you're doing homework, you can click on, again, assigned media and see what the what video is there to help you. But what I really enjoy is the question help, and many of my students say this is one of the key features of my math lab that they love. Most questions, unless they're a concept question where it's more on terminology, you're going to have a question help tool where you can have the program help you solve it, where you can view a worked example, where it will take you to that section in the textbook. And there's an Ask My Instructor, and I encourage you to use that. When you click on that, it's going to send me an email. Tell me what you're having problems with. Hey, Lori, can you help me with this question? I am getting the decimal wrong, or maybe you're getting the sign wrong. Anyway, the more you can tell me on where you're having the problem in the question, the better. But if you are completely lost in the question and you've already gone through the question, help me solve this and view an example, and you're still stuck, Ask My Instructor is a great tool to use, and I encourage you to try that out. So that's my little tidbit helps for today. I know time is running out in this unit, so I hope you have gotten started, and if not, I hope you have an open weekend to study your math. I'll be around to answer your questions this weekend, so please post to the Q&A discussion in Unit 1, or send me an Ask My Instructor question, and I'm happy to help you out. So hope everyone's doing well, and I will chat with you again soon. Bye for now.